Hello, dear English learners. Welcome back to another episode of your English listening and speaking practice. I'm Sophia, your host, and I'm just so happy to have you here today. Do you ever feel a little nervous when you try to speak English? Maybe your words come out slowly, or you worry about your pronunciation. You understand English when you listen, but when it's your turn to talk, does it feel like your tongue just won't move and the words get stuck? Do you wish your English just flowed, smoothly and confidently, almost like a native speaker? What if I told you there's one simple, powerful exercise that you can do right now by yourself to quickly make your English speaking smoother, clearer, and much more confident? It's a trick that helps you train your mouth, master natural English rhythm, and even think faster in English. And we'll do it together, right here, right now. If you're ready to unlock that natural speaking voice and truly boost your fluency, then this episode, episode 17, is exactly for you. Today, we're doing a proven technique, improving your English speaking skills by reading out loudly. Listen and repeat. Remember in episode 14, we talked about the power of consistency. How doing small, regular things leads to big, amazing results over time. Behind in episode 15, we gave you 50+ daily English phrases to use confidently in real conversations. And in episode 16, we explored the power of shadowing, which is copying native speakers' sounds and rhythm to sound natural. If you have any content ideas or topics you'd like us to cover in future episodes of the Best English Podcast, please share them in the comments below. We love hearing from you and creating content that truly helps your English learning journey. Well, today, we're putting all these powerful ideas into active practice. This Listen and Repeat challenge is the perfect way to consistently train your mouth, your ear, and your brain. It will help you use those phrases, apply those natural sounds, and truly make your English speaking easy and confident. So, are you ready? Let's check in first. How are you feeling today? Did you practice English yesterday? Are you ready to speak with me? If yes, amazing. If not, don't worry. You're here now, and that's what matters. Learning English isn't just about listening, it's about speaking. The more you speak, the more comfortable you get. But where do you start? That's where this Listen and Repeat challenge helps. Listen and repeat means you listen to me, then you repeat immediately, trying to copy my sounds, my rhythm, and my pronunciation. It's not about being perfect. It's about getting used to speaking English confidently. Today, we'll practice 50 sentences together. I'll speak clearly and slowly. After each sentence, there will be a pause. That's your chance to repeat after me. Even if it feels strange at first, just try. Remember, consistency matters more than perfection. Even 10 minutes a day makes a big difference. So, are you ready? Let's begin your Listen and Repeat challenge. Part 1. Short sentences. Building foundational sounds. Let's start with short sentences. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. I love English. I love English. I learn English every day. Korar. I learn English every day. I try my best to learn English. I try my best to learn English. I feel confident in learning English. I feel confident in learning English. Practice helps me perfect my English. Practice helps me perfect my English. I listen closely. I listen closely. I speak clearly. I speak clearly. I am learning English. I am learning English. I enjoy this. I enjoy this. Small steps grow. Small steps grow. Fantastic. You're doing great. Let's keep going. Part 2. Slightly longer sentences, developing flow. Now, let's try some slightly longer sentences. Keep focusing on my sounds and rhythm. I am improving my English. I am improving my English. This practice is helpful. This practice is helpful. I am getting better. I am getting better. My speaking is smoother. My speaking is smoother. I understand more now. I understand more now. I am learning new phrases. I am learning new phrases. I enjoy English conversations. I enjoy English conversations. I learn from my mistakes. I learn from my mistakes. My voice sounds natural. My voice sounds natural. I like speaking English. I like speaking English. Amazing! I love the energy. Let's try some more. Part 3. Everyday phrases. Sounding natural. Here are some phrases you'll hear in everyday English conversations. Listen for the natural rhythm. How are you today? How are you today? What's up? What's up? I'm doing well, thanks. I'm doing well, thanks. Long time no see. Long time no see. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. See you later. See you later. Have a great day. Have a great day. Wonderful. You're showing real dedication. Keep it going. Part 4. Confidence Builders. Affirming your progress. These sentences will help build your speaking confidence and positive mindset. My English is getting stronger every day. My English is getting stronger every day. I am brave enough to speak English. I am brave enough to speak English. I believe in my ability to learn. I believe in my ability to learn. Each sentence makes me better. Each sentence makes me feel better. I am proud of my effort. I am proud of my effort. I will keep practicing daily. I will keep practicing daily. My pronunciation is improving. My pronunciation is improving. I am a confident English speaker. I am a confident English speaker. English opens my world. English opens my world. I enjoy my learning journey. I enjoy my learning journey. Awesome work! You're growing stronger with every sentence. Keep it going. Part 5. Advanced Flow. Mastering longer expressions. You're doing fantastic. Let's try some longer sentences now to really master the flow. Every time I practice, I feel more confident speaking. Every time I practice, I feel more confident speaking. It's important to practice English constantly. It's important to practice English constantly. My listening skills are improving with this practice. My listening skills are improving with this practice. I am ready to have real English conversations. I am ready to have real English conversations. This challenge is helping me immensely. This challenge is helping me immensely. I can understand more than I could before. I can understand more than I could before. Speaking out loud is making a big difference. Speaking out loud is making a big difference. My English will be fluent very soon. My English will be fluent very soon. I am excited about my English-speaking future. I am excited about my English-speaking future. This is just the beginning of my great English success. This is just the beginning of my great English success. Congratulations! You've completed 50 sentences of listen and repeat practice today. Take a deep breath. Osak. You did amazing. What's next? Keep practicing every day. Now, show up for yourself, just like you did today. Remember what we learned in episode 14, the power of consistency. Even a little bit of practice every day makes a huge difference. If you ever feel stuck, return to this video and practice again. Every time you try, your English gets stronger, smoother, and more natural. You're making incredible progress. Keep smiling, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. You are truly amazing. Thank you so much for joining today's episode of the Best English Podcast. I truly hope this listen and repeat challenge has helped you feel more confident about your English speaking. If you found this episode helpful or inspiring, please do me a big favor, hit that like button right now. It really helps us reach more wonderful learners like you around the world. And don't forget to subscribe to the Best English podcast, wherever you're listening, whether on YouTube or your favorite podcast app. Wow, we release new episodes regularly, and staying consistent with us will naturally help you stay regular with your English learning. Consistency is key to unlocking your success. Do you have a friend, a family member, or a coworker who wants to make their English speaking more natural? Please share this episode with them. Let's help more people find their confident English voice, and I would really love to hear from you. After doing this listen and repeat challenge, how do you feel about your English speaking? What was your favorite sentence to repeat? Let me know in the comments on YouTube. If you have any content ideas or topics you'd like us to cover in future episodes of the Best English podcast, please share them in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create lessons that truly help your English journey. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep trying, keep going, and keep practicing. Take it one small, easy step at a time, and believe that every effort you make is actively building your way to speaking English easily and successfully. Keep believing in yourself. You can absolutely do this. Until next time, take good care of yourselves, keep working hard, and I look forward to you listening again very, very soon. You are doing great.